according to court documents. Daniels and her husband, heavy metal drummer and adult film actor Glendon Crane, have been married since November 2015, according to the divorce petition. They were living together outside Dallas until July 11th, the day before she was arrested in Ohio, in a strip club after accused of illegally touching people there. Those charges were later dismissed. Crane also sought and was granted a temporary restraining order against Daniels, whose legal fight over an alleged decade-old affair with President Trump has turned her into a celebrity. While Crane filed a divorce petition last week, Daniels' lawyer Michael Avenatti addressed the couple's separation on Twitter Monday. "My client Stormy Daniels and her husband Glenn have decided to end their marriage," Avenatti wrote, saying the accuracy of the divorce petition is vehemently disputed. Stormy's daughter remains her number one priority, the lawyer said. She kindly asked for privacy for the sake of her family. But just hours later, Stormy Daniels tweeted out in fact that she does not want or need privacy. "I want the truth, and it will come out. I'm not afraid," tweeted Daniels, whose legal name is Stephanie Clifford. Crane's 13-page divorce petition states the couple's marriage has become insupportable because of discord or conflict of personalities, according to the documents published online by the Smoking Gun. He filed the petition July 18th in the State District Court in Kaufman County, southeast of Dallas. Daniels, who is currently traveling the country for a series of strip club performances, has purchased a plane ticket for her daughter to join her on tour, Crane said in the divorce petition. "This will involve the child being on her tour bus with other strippers and producers," the petition states. "This will place my child in imminent threat for serious and immediate physical and emotional harm." Crane asked for child support from Daniels, in addition to a financial award and a share of the couple's property, Reuters reported. The temporary restraining order would bar Daniels from unsupervised access to their daughter and use of the couple's shared home. A court hearing regarding the restraining order is scheduled for Friday morning. Daniels had been scheduled to perform on Sunday night at an Atlanta strip club, but canceled the show due to a family issue, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reported. Following a performance at a Columbus strip club early this month, police charged Daniels with 3 misdemeanor counts of touching a patron at a sexually oriented business in violation of an Ohio strip club law. An arrest report accused her of forcing the faces of patrons and police detectives into her bare chest. Avenatti described the arrest as politically motivated sting operation involving undercover officers. Prosecutors dismissed the charges the following day, and the Columbus police chief later called the arrest a mistake. Following the arrest, the gossip website TMZ noticed in the police report that Daniels had listed herself as unmarried, despite the fact that she was still legally married. Daniels has been at the center of legal controversy with Trump, saying she was paid $130,000 by President's former personal attorney Michael Cohen in exchange for her silence about an alleged affair with Trump in 2006. The porn star is suing Trump and Cohen to void the hush agreement she says she signed during the 2016 presidential campaign. Trump has repeatedly denied the affair, but in May he admitted that Cohen was reimbursed through a monthly retainer for the $130,000 payment made to Daniels in 2016. Trump claimed the payment was intended to stop false and extortionist accusations. In an interview with Rolling Stone in March, Daniels spoke about how her family was being affected by the media storm over the Trump scandal. At the time, she was still living with her daughter in Crane, in what Rolling Stone described as a quiet community outside Dallas where Daniels, a nationally ranked equestrian, has 7 horses. "My daughter didn't deserve any of this," Daniels told Rolling Stone. "Crane didn't deserve any of this. Don't get me wrong. I'm not an angel. I'm capitalizing on this." But Daniels said she wasn't in any sort of need to do this. "It eclipses anything else that I've worked hard on, that I wanted to be known as," she said. "I was very happily living incognito back home.